So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Twitch banner here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then under project type, I want you to press on social media. On this screen, I want you to slide this sort of middle top bar here all the way to the right until you come across a option that says Twitch banner. So keep scrolling past the YouTube stuff, the LinkedIn stuff, the Pinterest posts, Instagram stories. Keep scrolling. At the very last one, it says Twitch banners right here. Go ahead and press on where it says Twitch banners. And what this does is it actually creates the proper dimensions needed for a Twitch banner. So as you can tell, the dimensions here are 1920 by 480. You can go ahead and press a blank template if you want, or if you can keep scrolling down, you can sort of base it off another template. So if you wanted to, maybe you have a gaming channel or whatever, you can go ahead and press on this one right here offline. If you want to keep the gaming stuff in the background, or basically just like how it's laid out, whatever the case may be, it really doesn't matter. Once that is done, it's going to take a couple seconds to actually load this into the Visme application. So as you can tell right here, you have the template loaded up, you have the proper dimensions needed for a Twitch banner, and it's honestly pretty straightforward on how you guys can create a Twitch banner here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.